To be in compliance with YouTube's policies, the following content is provided for educational, research, and documentary purposes only. We strongly recommend you do not do anything shown and demonstrated in this video. Failure to follow directions or do as I did or demonstrate in this video could result and may result in a shadow ban or a banned account. So do as I say, follow along, you're going to be okay. Are you going to Google Rufus? You're going to download it. Run as admin. You're going to plug in USB. You're going to click the drop down menu, download. Select Windows 10. Alright, make sure you use 21H1, okay? Make sure you use that build that I'm using so you avoid issues. Continue. Continue. Download. Save. Alright, you can close it. Gonna shut down your PC. Alright, you're gonna power back on. Go to your boot menu, pick your USB that you just made. It's your Windows 10 USB you just made. Alright, Shift F10 is gonna bring up command prompt. You're gonna do disk part. Enter. List space disk. Select disk 0. This is your C drive or your Windows operator. Sorry, Windows operating system. Kind of tired. Clean. Create partition primary. Format fs equals nt fs quick. Assign. Clean. And convert GPT. Exit and exit. Alright, we're going to install Windows. I accept. Next. Custom. Your drive. Next. Let it do its thing. Alright, Windows has installed. PC is going to turn back on. I highly encourage that you have to fresh install. Fresh install helps you get rid of anything that you have left behind. We're going to go to updates. We're going to pause our updates. The reason we're pausing our updates is because if you're using the spoofer, I think you guys already know how finicky it can be. This is the best way you can avoid having issues in the future. If there's an update to where it's supported in a future build, we will announce it. Alright, 21H1, awesome. We're going to power down the PC, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like on my BIOS to disable secure boot. Depending on your motherboard, it might look different. So just Google your motherboard. Here what I'm doing is disabling updates. That's all. Just pausing the updates. So I don't have to worry about the spoofer. Now we're going to virus and threat protection. Turn that off. It's going to let you download the loaders you need to run the chair. Make sure you download your drivers like your GPU. Here we're installing VC++ and DirectX. We gladly give you the links so you can get set up right away. Just open the ticket in Discord. I do apologize if I'm moving too fast. You're more than welcome to pause the video at any time. I right click run as administrator on the install all. That's the VC++. And at the same time we're running DirectX install. I never have issues running them both on the install. DirectX. And we're almost done. Bam. Alright, next thing you're going to download is WinRAR. It's going to help you extract the loaders you download. It's just a good tool to have in general. You're welcome to use whatever you want. Alright, now I'm downloading the ACD loader. Open a ticket and we'll give you the link. Alright, what I like to do is I put it in an exclusion folder. I do this all the time, so any chair you use, just throw it in there. Especially for people that don't want to disable their Windows threat and virus protection. Let's open up our all-in-one. Gonna run the support tool. Gonna go option 5, number 2, option 2, option 1. Let it do its own magic. Pretty easy. Does it all on its own. Alright, you're gonna type Y and it will restart your computer. Alright, back in the support tool, and I just wanted to show you the setup requirements, which was option 2. I was just trying to show you that My hard drive is RGPT. Secure boot is disabled. Well, we're in UEFI boot mode, and virtualization is enabled. All that good jazz, and we just did Hyper-V. Alright, we're going to open up our spoofer. Log in. First time ever spoofing, you're going to run a full clean. Yes, I know you don't have the game. Just go to your C drive, program files times 86. It's going to create a new user. Just let it do its thing. Alright, make sure you memorize that or write it down, whatever you gotta do. You're gonna have your own username and your own password, which is always just password. Alright, we're gonna put in a random seed. You could put whatever 10 digit you want. I know I didn't put 10 digits, but it works. Alright, I'm just showing you on my phone what it looks like. It's gonna restart your PC. When it boots back up, you'll see a diamond logo right after this. Boom. Let it load, let it load. Alright, we're back in our PC. We open up the spoofer. We want to verify that it's running. As you can see, status says running. That is good. And now you're going to go into cleaner and clean traces. You do this every time after a successful spoof. Boom. We are good to go. Alright, we're going to download Battlenet. I apologize if I sound tired or sleepy. It is because I'm tired and sleepy. But we'll get this through. See, I can't even talk. We'll get through this together. Alright, remember your username that it made for you? Mine was Fernie. Fern, whatever. Password is password. Oh no, I don't have permission. What would I do? It's all good. You're going to right click, go to properties, go to security. You're going to edit. You're going to add, advanced, find now. And then just find the guy or whatever username that was made. Hit OK, OK. Alright, you're gonna check full control. That box gives it all the boxes. Apply, OK, OK. Now, shift, right click, run as different user, and enter that in. Shift, right click, lets you select a different user. Alright, we're installing Battlenet. Alright, gonna install Warzone. And that's basically it. Since you're successfully spoofed, you technically could play right now after it's done installing. And we're going to move on to part 2. Alright guys, all part 2 is how do I run the spoofer if I already installed everything. You're going to open up your spoofer and enter your key. Enter your seed that you've already been using for that same account. It's gonna restart your PC. Just wait for the diamond logo and to boot back up. Alright, we're gonna check our spoofer, make sure it's running. Yes, and guess what we're gonna do next? Clean those traces after a successful spoof. Yes. And it looks like we're ready to play. Remember, shift right click, run as different user. You should know that user's username. And password should be password all lowercase. And hit play. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Alright, you just got banned, you got shadow banned, whatever. You're gonna have to go to the cleaner, do a full clean. It's gonna create a new user. Make sure you use that new user, and make sure you use a new seed. It could be any random digit up to 10 digits. Just put something random. It don't matter. Man, that's it. So hopefully you liked the video, and have a good one. Peace.